Honorable Vice Chancellor, Honorable Nevas Jamatia, ex-minister, Professor, Assistant Professor Sunil Paloi, students, faculty members. Should I speak in Hindi or English or mix? Because there are people from Arunachal, there are people from Mizoram, people from Nagaland, from Manipur, Vice Chancellor is from Manipur, Meghalaya as well. Oh, Bwkhasi. That was also there? Naming. So, Chibai for my Tripura and for people from Mizoram as well. अरुणाचल में तो अलग अलग लैंग्वेज है तो हम सिर्फ अरुणाचल कम्युनिटी कर सकता है नो कैसा है अच्छा है ना ईटानगर से आया है कि नाहरलगुन से आया लेकिन मिथुन बहुत अच्छा मिलता है तो I have some wonderful friends in Arunachal Pradesh as well. Of course, the lady who was talking, was she from Nagaland? The lady who is for this?
Actually, she's from here. She's a Ranghal.
She's a Ranghal. Oh, nice. Nagamma. See, I was invited by the students here for this farewell party, and I basically do not want to give a long lecture. My idea was to come and see you sing, dance, perform, and just be with you. I don't want to come here in this dais and give you a long, boring lecture. लंबा बोरिंग भाषण देने का मुझे आदत भी नहीं है और मुझे लगता भी नहीं है कि ये this is a place and occasion to do so. There are many speakers who have spoken before me. Honorable Vice Chancellor has spoken. But all I want to say to all of you all who are having this farewell party, have a wonderful life, be successful, but most importantly, be happy. Because jab tak you're not happy inside, till the time you're not happy inside, no matter how much money you make, no matter what job you get, eventually this is your life. And if you are not happy, then no matter what you do in life, you will never have the pleasure of being in your own comfort zone. Many people will tell you that this is the formula for success. Somebody will tell you, आप ये करेगा तो अच्छा होगा, ये करना चाहिए, you have to do this job, you have to do this. Let me tell you, in the end, you know what is right and what is wrong for you. अगर गलती करना है, if you want to make a mistake, the best age to make a mistake is this age. If you try and you fail, no problem. At least you tried. But if you don't try at all, you will always regret in your heart that you never did what you wanted to. जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ चीज तो एक बार करना चाहिए. अगर इस उम्र में आप फेल हो गए कुछ करके, कोई परवाह नहीं, कोशिश तो किया. फेल हुआ, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. जो दिल के अंदर था वो किया आपने. बाद में ये रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए कि मेरे पास ये करने का मन था लेकिन मैं कर नहीं पाया. सो टेक अ रिस्क. बी हु यू आर. डोंट ट्राई टू प्रिटेंड टू बी समवन एल्स. जिंदगी में हमने हमेशा सबको खुश करने के लिए we have always tried to make other people happy, and that is where we go wrong. We try to make our parents happy. We try to make our leaders happy. We try to make our teachers happy. We try to make our friends happy. But first, make yourself happy. There is no formula to success. There is no formula to success. But there is a formula for happiness. What is that? Shed your ego. Don't have ego, don't have arrogance, don't be proud. Today, somebody was asking me, you're a king, son of a king. But then you go to a village and you hug someone, आपको गंदा नहीं लगता? मैंने बोला मुझे तब गंदा लगता है जब कोई किसी के घर में जाकर चाय नहीं पीता because they think they are superior. You know, since you are from Meghalaya, I studied in Shillong. Today, when I have started my political party and Tripura and all, we do all that. I learned it from you all guys. Jack bin real. You know, when I was in Shillong in the 90s and early 2000s, I saw you all rise and resist and speak up for your rights. I took that and I brought it to Tripura. And I have no shame to say, I learned something from you. Many of you all, my doctor, I've got a stent in my heart. And my favorite doctor is from Arunachal Pradesh, Dr. Tony. He taught me how to smile. He said, you know, Raja, आप बहुत टेंशन लेता है. हाँ, आप बहुत टेंशन लेता है. दवाई खाओ और थोड़ा मस्ती से सो रहा है. इतना चिंता नहीं करने का. मैं उससे सीखा. And that's why today I can spread happiness. So I learned from Dr. Tony, who's from Arunachal. I've learned from another friend of mine who's a footballer from Mizoram. He taught me how to play football. He taught me, he introduced me to Metallica. And I listened music through him. I've learned from my Naga friends. And I hope those students who are here today and you're leaving us, I hope you learn something from us, Ibrasas also, and take it back to your own state. Many of you all will never meet again. शायद दोबारा मिले या ना मिले. लेकिन ये जो दोस्ती, the friendship that you have made today, the friendship that you make in your school, your college and your university, that friendship is genuine. जिंदगी में you make more friends, but that will be because network करना था, business करना था, काम करना था. लेकिन today, the friends you have next to you, you don't care how rich he is or she is. You don't know whose father or whose mother this friend of yours is. You don't care. You are friends. Your friendship today is genuine. You will make friends, but it will be very difficult for you to make genuine friends. So when you're saying bye-bye to each other, when you're saying farewell to each other, look at them, share your number. Maybe most of you all will meet once a year, once in 2 years, once in 5 years. Some of you will never meet again. But don't forget this time. This is your time. Learn to take back ideas. Learn to give and learn. We all can learn so much from Northeast. You know, जब मैं दिल्ली जाता हूँ, people say, आप नॉर्थ ईस्ट आया है? हाँ, मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट आया. अच्छा, मुझे भूटान जाना है. मतलब भाई साहब, भूटान तो इंडिया में भी नहीं है. अच्छा, आप शिलोंग में आपका होटल है? हाँ. पुलिस बाजार में क्या शेर रास्ता क्रॉस करता है क्या? ओ, मैं त्रिपुरा नहीं आ सकता हूँ. क्यों? वो मणिपुर में झगड़ा हुआ. People know so less about us. लेकिन जब मैं दिल्ली में जाकर बात करता हूँ या बॉम्बे में जाकर बात करता हूँ, तो अपने लोगों के बारे में बात करता हूँ. I speak for my region. And when I speak for my region and I speak with confidence for my people, for our people, then in my language, मेरे बात में ही उनको डंडा मिलता है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट से भी लीडर निकल के उनको चेहरे के ऊपर बोल सकता है कि we are Indians, but we are different from you, but we have a language, we have a culture, and we have an identity. Who are we without an identity? Who are we without a land? Who are we without a language? Who are we without the way we are? So don't ever try to become someone else. Be proud of who you are. Take pride in your costumes. Take pride in your food. Take pride in your culture. Take pride in your land. Take pride in the way you are. Because believe me, this country that we live in, and we live in proudly, this country is as much yours as it is for someone living in Uttar Pradesh or Tamil Nadu or Karnataka or West Bengal. This is your land, this is your nation. And you can only do that when you know more about your own Northeast. So it is very important for a person in Tripura to know about something in Arunachal, or someone in Arunachal to know about Meghalaya, or someone in Mizoram to know about Nagaland, or someone who's in Assam to know about Sikkim. We forget Sikkim sometimes. Right? It is important. So today I am not here to give you a lecture, but I am here to tell you that, मेवाड़ आपने भाषण दिया, I didn't listen to you speak. Politics तो लाया होगा आपके लाया ना? ये नेता लोग ना, मैं पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में कुछ बोलूंगा ही नहीं. I'll just tell you one thing. मुझे पॉलिटिक्स करना है ना, तो मैं पॉलिटिशियन के साथ करूंगा. वो दिल्ली में जाकर उनके नेता के साथ पॉलिटिक्स करूंगा, अगरतला में पॉलिटिक्स करूंगा, पॉलिटिशियन के साथ. अपना लोगों के साथ कभी पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करता. Because I'll tell you this line which Mr. Mewar is there now, because so many want to be politicians, all wearing that kurta jacket or something. It's a dirty line. And it's very difficult for us to remain honest, not to become corrupt. जिंदगी में अरुणाचल में मैं इलेक्शन नहीं जीत सकता, 200 करोड़ रुपए नहीं है. It is money is coming, good people cannot win, it becomes difficult. But I'm not telling you to join politics, don't join politics. It's a terrible line. I also want to leave. No, I also want to leave. I also want to leave politics. But it is important to be aware. So be aware. You should be aware क्या हमारा अधिकार क्या है, what is our rights. Be aware of your rights. Be socially aware. Read up, read a bit, learn about your rights, because somebody is making money by fooling you somewhere. और जो लोग इलेक्शन के पहले पैसा लेके वोट डालते हैं ना, हम आपको ही लेके बोल रहे हैं. नागालैंड में बहुत है. Sir, we want money now, so that's why we're taking money. That's why our roads are very bad now. No Naga here? No Naga here? Huh? कौन है? Who's there? Is there any Naga here? How are you, sister? Are you from Bwkhasi district also? Are you a Lotha? Angame, our CM is also Angame. Mr. Rio. So people who take money and vote will never have a good road outside their house. Will never have a good education system. Will never have a electricity. Because हम पैसा लेकर, ये जो पैसा आपको मिलता है, वो आप ही का पैसा चोरी करके वो अपने पॉकेट में रखता है, इलेक्शन के 5 महीने पहले खर्च करता है. So it is very important for you all to also speak out for your rights. And when you speak, it's not politics, but speak for your rights. I've been to the various campuses. I was just talking to the Honorable Vice Chancellor. He's a wonderful man. He's always been respectful. थोड़ा इनको भी ताली. वाइस चांसलर साहब, आपको ताली मिल गया. आप 2-3 दिन तक छुट्टी भी और दे दीजिए प्लीज. देने से और मिलता है. So, I was speaking to him, and I've traveled all over the world. I've been to Cambridge, I've been to Oxford University, I've been to Harvard, I've given lectures there. And when I come here, I was also the first EC, my first EC of Tripura Central University. I was a member. And what I see abroad is so much of effort is put for students outside classrooms. The campus has lovely restaurants, Dunkin' Donuts. Campus has a small movie theater. Campus has lovely canteens. You have festivals. You have sporting events. You have debates. And I think if the India that we want, or the Northeast India that we want to develop, we have to encourage people to take part in more activities which will sharpen your mind. If your mind is sharp, you will become a tool for a better society. So, I went for the Oxford debates, wonderful debates, to and fro. People debating on language, people debating on culture, people debating on issues, people debating on Messi and Ronaldo. But debates are good. Quiz is a good, fun way of knowing about your history. Sports. What Sachin Tendulkar has done, or what Baichung Bhutia has done, or Sunil Chhetri has done, or what Renedi Singh or Gaurumangi Singh has done, no politician in India has done. No politician in India. They are actually your torchbearers. So encourage sports. And encourage a nice campus life where young minds are allowed to think beyond their classrooms. And I think, Vice Chancellor साहब, अगर हमें हिंदुस्तान को ऊपर उठाना है, तो हमें अपने स्टूडेंट्स को रोबोट्स नहीं बनाना है. उनके दिमाग को like a flower they should be allowed to grow. And I think if more emphasis can be put for that, my humble request, I am always there to help, but if you would like to do things like these, I think it is very important that students also flourish. And to the organizations who are holding this, I don't know what organization it is, but I will tell you, don't be political, but allow the students to take part in this. Don't discriminate against anyone. Speak proudly for who you are, lekin don't discriminate anyone. I have been given so much of love by all of you all, and I've come straight from, I left Shillong at 8 o'clock in the morning, went to Guwahati, took a flight from Guwahati, came to Agartala I came here directly. And I came here because the amount of love and respect that you've given me, I also love you. Somebody when I was walking in said, this boy said, I love you Bubagra. Let me tell you, Bubagra loves you very much from the bottom of his heart. And I would like to help you after you all pass out, now that you are passed out. I would like to help you. And if you all, any time you want to come and meet me and you want to discuss anything, don't hesitate. Please come and talk. You know why? Because when I see you all, when I see your energy, when I see these young boys and girls dancing and singing, मुझे भी थोड़ा सा energy मिलता है. I also get red gold wings. I also get energy. And when I talk to you all, you know, Meva, when I talk to political leaders, I get depressed. But when I listen to these people, अच्छा लगता है. आखिर में हम लोग क्यों है पब्लिक लाइफ में? इन्हीं के लिए तो है. They are the next generation. We are here to fight for the next generation, not to fight for the next election. The next generation is the most important thing for us. And before I give this floor back to you all, I want you to learn one word before you leave Tripura. To all those ones who are not from Tripura. And that word will make you stronger in your own place. अपने जगह में भी आपको फायदा होगा वो शब्द का इस्तेमाल करने से. अलग भाषा हो सकता है. That word is, what is that word? Thansa. Unity. Ekta. Munkha. If you all are united, unite in love, unite as friends, unite as a tribe. Not to discriminate anyone, but unite as a country. But that word called Thansa, I hope you take it from Tripura and apply it in your own state. That way, a part of Tripura will always remain with you, and a part of us will also be there with you. And I think it is very important for us to stand up as students, as youngsters, as Northeasterners, as indigenous people of the region, to stand up for our rights and to become a powerful force in the next generation. My time has gone, our time has gone. This is your time, and my job is not to steal your time or space. My time is to give the entire floor to you. Please enjoy yourself. मजा कीजिए, अच्छे से रहिए, खुश रहिए, और जहां भी रहिए एक संग एक दूसरे को मत भूलिए. We love you all and thank you for having invited me, Vice Chancellor साहब. आपने मुझे इनवाइट करके बहुत खुशी है. नेक्स्ट टाइम यहाँ में थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक और स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी भी होना चाहिए. तब मैं थोड़ा मिथुन भी करूंगा, अमिताभ भी करूंगा, धर्मेंद्र भी करूंगा, हंसी मजाक भी करूंगा, लेकिन कभी कभी हंसी मजाक के बीच में I will speak the truth, and don't leave the truth ever, because the truth shall always prevail. Belai belai no hambai, kulungha. Thank you, धन्यवाद.